little scared from this gift. You don't know.
You should be.
Okay. I love the card. It looks so nice.
That's nice.
I don't have to open the gift. Okay. Leave it right here.
Open it.
Don't tell me it's a box and a box and a box. You had to do that, like, oh my god. Okay. I just woke up. Is that a mess before I leave? Okay.
Oh, Nana.
Almost there. I think. Not yet. Oh my god.
You don't have to make so much noise. The kids are sleeping.
Huh?
You don't have to make so much noise. The kids are sleeping.
Okay. We're there. Good enough. Tell me that we're over there.
Come on, muscles.
Oh. No, it's the sense.
You have to hold it in your hand.
Okay, I gotta open it. Okay, I'm trying to figure that magic out. That's very nice.
You hold it like this.
Okay,
بطلت تشرب. It's supposed to line up. Maybe it's too cold.
It is freezing.
Okay, that's probably it. Alright. You're not done yet.
Is there
there it
pictures
is.
in it? That's very nice.
Yes.
I love it.
Aww.
That's very
That's
sweet.
so cute.
So every time I see it, it has to say, "Oh, I love you."
Yes.
That's very nice.
Okay, you're not
No,
done.
I like. Sure, we're not done.
Open it.
But I opened it.
Keep going. Hold up, hold up. Uh-huh.
Okay. Just making sure. Tell me there's a box inside the box.
Hold up.
A car.
Yes.
A car.
You're not gonna see it from there.
Why do I have to breathe? Okay. I don't know what it's that yet, but hopefully. I wanna see. Oh my god, that looks so nice. Where's my car?
حدا أخذ البالون.
No, you mean maybe it flew away.
Right here.
Oh my god, that's amazing! Oh my god! I love the color and the shape.
Hold on, open the inside. You didn't even see anything yet. You have to unlock it.
I forgot. OMG!
Look up.
That's mine?
Yeah.
Oh my god! That's amazing! I love the elephants and